fix these.
We're gonna fix this with the, where's the brand new one, huh?
On top, on the roof.
eBay special, 20 bucks.
Yeah, first of all, you want to just take this out right here.
There it goes.
Well, you're supposed to push it out like this, but it came out. So, nope. T20, maybe. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3 screws. We're gonna take it off right now.
I don't think the camera can catch that, but you know. All right, now we took the 3 screws, one here, one over here.
We also have to pop this little trim piece. Oh.
That's the old one though. We don't need that one.
You gotta pop this off, and there's gonna be another screw here. But it's tricky when it's this sticky and old and.
Look how nasty this is. Look.
Oh my goodness. Hablo. God damn.
You can hang it up, bro. That's the old one.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so that.
They wanted to kill you, bro.
Don't even. You're gonna want to pull on this right here, on the bottom piece, to pop off the clips.
Just like that, boom,
damn.
out.
Okay, now speaker already unhooked. You just put a hook right there. You just pull here from the plastic piece. There you go. You unhook it right here. This little piece right here. Right there. There you go.
Yep.
And then the little light right here. Don't forget the little light. Okay.
Next part, be ready.
Okay, now, if you don't have a Dremel, I don't know what to say. Maybe you could use a file to file this down. But I got a Dremel, and this came with my little Dremel, so it was in the kit. I don't know what it is for, but I'm gonna use it for this. You gotta shave down these 4 plastic welds right here, and then the handle, the pull part, will basically come out. Just like that, you want to do to all 4. You don't want to do too much and ruin the panel now.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, like that weld right there will come out. So after that, you do all 4. We'll show you the next step.
All right. All right. 4 welds are off. 1, 2, 4 right here.
This should be enough. Now, I don't want to grab that, honestly. Where's that napkin? Yeah. Okay, now I think it should come up. Okay, that was easy.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Now, this is straight out of Germany, China. This comes with the 4 screws you're gonna need. Put that bad boy in right there.
Boom.
Right there. You see the new holes now?
You got the 4 holes for the screws that Germany part comes with.
Yeah, they're gonna provide you with 4 screws. Screw that in, and then, you know, vacuum it up, and we're gonna show you how to put it back in the car. Phillips head.
All right, Phillips head.
Number 2 to be exact. I'm losing stuff. That's
all
on
done.
there. Let me bring out the vacuum and clean this up. Don't forget to place this little gummy thingy here back on the new one, because that's for the trim, the wooden trim on the door. Wrong side. We stick this little gummy piece back on for the trim, like we said we would. And now to install it. The only tricky part is this right here. Oh, came undone. Okay, since it's undone, I forgot how you do it. You push it, you push this in. Grab the.
You need help, huh?
I think I can do it. Push the handle in, like that.
Handle in.
And then you just click it in. That's it.
Clicked in, boom.
Okay.
Made it look easy.
This is gonna go right here. Like that. And then this should go right there. And then there you go.
Magic, you know.
Your little light on and everything back
on.
on. I'm gonna just do this right here.
Cool.
I'm just gonna pull the wire through here because it's a little hard. But then the speaker wires,
Connected.
this one is the bottom one, this is the top one. You can't mess this up, only goes one way, so don't force it in. Alright, now a little lock indicator. Okay,
There you go.
just go through the edges and make sure the clips align to the holes. And there you go.
All right, panel back on. We here taking a break from that. Last one.
This one right here. Should have used my drill. Would have been easier. Faster. Now reinstall the little light.
Boom.
Like I said, this one goes like this. Pull it in, and then you, oh.
First you put that.
This is that eBay special.
Straight from Germany.
Ooh,
No, look at that. Oh man.
Back in business.
Oh, you
Pretty easy, you just push it in. There.
There you go.
Now we're gonna do the back door.
Yeah, back door. I'll show it.
Show it before, and then we'll
yeah.
show you the guys. The
This is the before. You know, it's not as sticky, but it's still nasty. And then I'll show you the other door. That's the other door. Not as bad, but I still bought it. Yeah.
Quality, man. It's nice.
Why are you rubbing it like that? Look. Oh, hell no. All right. This is the end product of the first one. We already showed you. And then after doing the same thing on this one, taking out the door panel, same stuff, this is the end product.
Looks OEM.
Looks OEM. It was just $20 on eBay.
We'll put the link on the description.
Yeah, link on description.
Quick before. Pretty crusty. Just like the owner. Pro right here. Now he proceeds to drill. Don't strip him. He strips it.
Damn it, Marvin.
He wanted to use the drill. What a pro. Final product. You see, the quality on this one is not as good as the other two we bought. Look at that gap over there. It's really good. This one has this gap in the front on the top. It closes and then it opens up again. So yeah, we'll post the link for the